How to copy your Facebook account link. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your home page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you will see different options there. And then all you have to do is to tap on menu, the three dash lines there, and then tap on see your profile. Now here on your see on your profile, you will see these. You will see create, edit profile, and then these three dots. Tap on three dots there, and then the next thing that you want to do is to go down up until you see your profile link. Now here on your profile link, you will then see a link on your Facebook page. So in your Facebook profile, now once you tap on copy link, you have now tap on that, and then let's say just send it here. Now if you'll just send it to someone here and then tap on send. Now this will be actually sent. Now once they tap on that, they will be directed to your Facebook profile. Now here, if you tap on that link, you will then be redirected to that person's profile, to your profile link or your profile page. And basically that is how you copy your Facebook account link. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.